Good morning, children. So the first one is Phylum Mollusca. Okay, Phylum Mollusca. For understanding this, octopus, god, and snails are the example for this group. They can live in all that habitats. That is freshwater habitat, marine water habitat, and terrestrial habitat. Okay, they are living in this group of animals living in marine, freshwater, and terrestrial habitats. So come to the body means it is bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, that body is bilaterally symmetrical, and the body is very soft, and there is no segmentation in the body. Okay, there is no segmentation in the body, and the body is very soft in nature. Okay, then it is divided into that there is no segmentation, but it is divided into head, muscular foot, and visceral mass. Okay, that there is no segmentation, but the body is divided into head, foot, and visceral mass. Okay, that foot helps in locomotion. So for moving from one place to another place, that foot is help for the movement. So the entire body is covered with thin skin, that is called, in snail we can see that hard, first a hard part, no, that is said to be mantle. Okay, that body is covered with thin skin called mantle. So that mantle secretes outer that calcareous shell. Okay, that outer skin mantle, no, that secretes that outer hard that shell that is calcareous shell. In say snail we can see this type, mom. Then respiration is through gills and lungs. Okay, or both, maybe in lungs, or maybe both. Okay, sexes are separate with larval stages during development. Example for this is garden snail and octopus. Okay, first it is bilaterally symmetrical, very soft, and there is no segmentation, but the body is divided into head, foot, and visceral mass. That foot is help for the locomotion, and that entire body is covered with a thin skin, that is called mantle. That mantle secretes shell, that is hard, outer hard, that is calcareous shell. Okay, so sexes are separate. Example for this is garden snail and octopus. So the next one is Phylum Echinodermata. Okay, for understanding this, starfish is an example for this group. They are free living marine animals. Okay, they are free living marine animals. Then its body structure means it is triploblastic nature and true coelomates, and organ system grade of organization. These are the base level of organization now. So first one is triploblastic, true coelomates, and organ system grade of organization. So that larva is bilaterally symmetrical. When you take adult means adult or radially symmetrical. When you cut through, if you take the larva you cut through the central axis means um, it is bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, if you take adult animal means it is radially symmetrical. Okay, the special feature of this is it is the presence of fluid filled water vascular system. That body is filled with water vascular system, that is fluid filled body. Okay, fluid filled body. Okay, the locomotion is due to the presence of tube feet. So the body wall is covered with hard. In a snail we studied, know that calcareous shell. No, here like this, it is the body wall is covered with calcareous ossicles. Okay, so these about the starfish ma. So it's a triploblastic true coelomates and organ system of organization. So larva is bilaterally symmetrical, and adult animal is radially symmetrical. That unique, that a special feature of this is body is filled with fluid. Okay, that for locomotion, tubes or tube feet are help for locomotion. Okay, this is about this starfish. So the next one is phylum Hemichordata. So example is balanoglossus. Okay, example is balanoglossus. So these are marine organisms. They are soft and unsegmented body. Okay, they are marine organisms and there is no segmentation in the body. They are bilaterally symmetrical. Coelomate animals. Okay, coelomate animals. One important point about this is these are all non-chordate organisms. Okay, there is no backbone in the body. Okay, in their body there is no um, notochord. Okay, there is no backbone, but it has that chordate features. Okay, it has that chordate features, but it didn't have that backbone, but it has the features of chordate. Okay, that is the special character about this group ma. Then it's a marine organism, soft and unsegmented body, bilaterally symmetrical, and coelomate animals. The special feature is it does not have any backbone, but it has the features of chordata. Okay, this is about this is the example for this group, balano glasses. Okay, in the next class we will see about chord data. Okay, thank you.